If you think Android tablets have already peaked, Lenovo is here to completely flip that idea on its head. This is the brand new Lenovo Legion Y900 for 2026, and on paper it looks like one of the most powerful Android tablets ever made. A huge 13-inch ultra-sharp display, flagship Snapdragon power, desktop-style productivity, gaming-focused hardware, and a battery that just refuses to quit. But is this finally the Android tablet that can seriously challenge Apple's iPad Pro and Samsung's Galaxy Tab Ultra lineup? Or is it another spec monster that looks better on paper than in real life? Stick around because by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether this tablet deserves your money. And before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and turn on notifications because we're covering the biggest tech launches before everyone else. Let's start with the display because honestly, this is where Lenovo is making its biggest statement. The Legion Y900 features a stunning 13-inch panel with a razor-sharp 3840 by 2560 resolution, giving you an incredibly crisp viewing experience that's even higher than standard 4K in total pixel count. It also supports a silky smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, a fast 360 Hz touch sampling rate, Dolby Vision, up to 1100 nits of peak brightness, full DCI P3 color coverage, factory color calibration, and Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. Whether you're gaming, watching Netflix, editing photos, or simply scrolling through social media, this display looks like an absolute flagship experience. The 3:2 aspect ratio is also fantastic because it gives you more vertical space for productivity while still being immersive for entertainment. Now powering everything is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor paired with LPDDR5X RAM and blazing fast UFS 4.1 storage. Depending on the version you choose, you can get up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, and Lenovo even includes microSD expansion up to 2 TB, which is something many premium tablets have completely abandoned. Android 16 with Lenovo's latest ZUI feels cleaner than previous versions, and with this level of hardware, multitasking should feel effortless. Split-screen apps, floating windows, heavy games, video editing, and demanding creative workloads should all run without breaking a sweat. Gaming is obviously a huge focus for the Legion brand, and this tablet has all the right ingredients. The Snapdragon 8 Elite is currently among the fastest mobile chipsets available, and when combined with the 144 Hz display and extremely responsive touch layer, competitive games should feel incredibly smooth. Titles like Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG Mobile, Genshin Impact, and Zenless Zone Zero can push high frame rates while maintaining impressive thermal stability according to early testing. Lenovo has also designed an upgraded cooling system to keep sustained performance high during long gaming sessions, making this much more than just a media tablet. If you're enjoying this review so far, don't forget to leave a like because it really helps the channel reach more tech enthusiasts. And if you love in-depth reviews without the marketing hype, subscribe now so you never miss our future videos. Audio is another area where Lenovo didn't cut corners. The Legion Y900 packs a 6-speaker setup tuned with Harman Kardon and supports Dolby Atmos. Combined with the massive display, movies and games should feel incredibly immersive without immediately reaching for headphones. The tablet also includes dual USB-C ports, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, stylus compatibility, optional keyboard accessories, and desktop-style productivity features that transform it into a serious laptop alternative when needed. Battery life also deserves attention because Lenovo includes a massive 12,700 mAh battery with 68W fast charging. That combination should comfortably handle long gaming sessions, binge watching, office work, and creative projects without constantly searching for a charger. Fast charging also means less waiting and more using, something power users will definitely appreciate. Camera performance isn't the main reason anyone buys a premium tablet, but Lenovo still includes a 13MP main camera with a secondary sensor on the back, plus an 8MP front camera for video calls and online meetings. They're perfectly capable for scanning documents, virtual classes, and conference calls, even if photography isn't their primary purpose. So who is this tablet really for? If you're a gamer wanting flagship Android performance, a creator needing a large color-accurate display, a student replacing a laptop, or someone who simply wants one of the most premium Android tablets currently available, the Legion Y900 checks an incredible number of boxes. The biggest downside is that global availability is still limited, so depending on your region, importing may be necessary for now. Overall, Lenovo has built something genuinely exciting. The Legion Y900 doesn't just chase specifications for marketing. It combines flagship performance, an outstanding display, premium speakers, huge battery life, expandable storage, and serious productivity into one package. If pricing stays competitive globally, this could easily become one of the best Android tablets of 2026 and one of Lenovo's strongest products in years. Thanks for watching, and if this review helped you, make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and share the video with someone looking for the ultimate Android tablet. I'll see you in the next one.